Coast weather, certified most accurate.
Did we even have a July? I feel like we just blinked and boom, we're in August. Well, happy first day of the month, ladies.
Happy first day of the month.
And that also means we're almost to the end of summer. We were talking about back to school, but also we're trying to get away from the hottest time of the year.
Yeah.
Which, at least for me, I'm excited about. It's also our rainy season. That's not really going to change even anytime soon. Even as we move through August. August is, though, the soggiest month of the year for us. We get the most rain. I'll talk about that a little bit later on in the hour. Weekend rain chances, they are here. We're tracking an unsettled weather pattern, and that's going to lead to increased coverage this weekend. Won't be a washout, though, and today especially we have a low flooding potential. There was one in place yesterday as well. I'm going to explain what that means after we take a look at the Gulf Coast Live radar. Here's what we have going on currently. We have a little cell that is now mostly east of Pirate Harbor. A little bit of rain on 41 Tamiami Trail, just over the Lee-Charlotte County line. If you track this, it should be in Gilchrist by about 6:20-ish. I need to adjust the speed on that because I do feel like it slowed down since the last time I estimated the speeds closer to about 15 miles per hour. That little patch of rain that was working its way towards Babcock Ranch, that has since fizzled up. It's starting to dry out there once again. I said a couple of minutes ago, the more that these storms push off to the east, the less likely they are to survive inland, and that's what we're seeing. Even that coverage out towards the Cape Hayes Peninsula, that is also starting to dissipate so far this morning. So what can we expect over the next couple of hours? A little bit of onshore flow, I should say a lot of bit of onshore flow, should lead to a little bit of rain this morning coming onto the coastline and then also pushing inland the later we go today. Another way to visualize this would be looking at the futurecast. Not everybody's going to see rain today, and like I said, it will not be a washout of a Saturday. However, I am expecting that rain to be here, so I would keep that umbrella and that raincoat handy. It's by about 8:30 this morning where we have that coverage in place, mainly coastal Lee, coastal Charlotte County. It inches towards the I-75 corridor by about 10 o'clock this morning. But I said the farther inland it goes, the more likely it is to dissipate, and that's a generalization, of course. This model shows a cell trying to push all the way to the bell by about 11:30. As we move into the afternoon, that trend changes. We are expecting an inland shift the later we go today, so that's what it looks like by about 2 o'clock, where we see that coverage scattered all across our inland counties for the most part. And then by the time it gets 3 o'clock, continuing to see that eastward shift. But look at this, 6:30, we could get some more coastal coverage to build in. It's that onshore flow that I had mentioned. It's not going anywhere this weekend, which means we're going to keep rain chances around even as we head into Sunday too. In fact, tomorrow we're going to bump those rain chances up just a little bit more, 60% coverage, and that'll be the case for this next week as well. Daily rain chances, they're here for the first week of August, starting off on a soggier note. But if we get some beneficial rain out of this, that would be some great news for us forecast-wise. I also said as we move into August, we're trying to get away from the hottest point of the year. It's still going to be hot. Our high temperature is going to be in the low 90s and lows are going to be in the mid to upper 70s for the foreseeable future. But I actually know that rain is going to help us out. It's going to help cool things off for us. This futurecast here is going to show what Sunday could look like. I do think we're going to have some more coastal coverage to start the day off than what this is showing. But this model here is very bullish when it comes to how much rain we could see tomorrow afternoon. That's by about 2 o'clock. That's some widespread coverage building in and favoring our inland locations. That's 3 o'clock tomorrow afternoon. So like I said, certainly looks soggier for your Sunday, but we do have a little bit of rain in the forecast today. I'm going to talk even more about your Saturday rain here in about 15 minutes. But for now, let's look at your Gulf Coast weather most accurate forecast.
All right.